What if the force holding everything to Earth vanished without warning? No countdown. Gravity is invisible, yet it controls every movement on this planet.
Now, that force is gone.
People do not fall. They begin to rise.
Across the world, millions are lifted into the air at the same moment.
Homes instantly become weightless environments.
Even places built to save lives are no longer stable.
High above the planet, aircraft lose control without gravity.
The oceans respond almost immediately. Water no longer belongs to the planet.
Entire ecosystems are pulled away from Earth.
The atmosphere itself begins to escape.
Deep inside the planet, balance is breaking.
Anything moving upward now leaves Earth forever.
The human body is not designed for this.
There is nothing.
Even the shape of the planet begins to change.
30 seconds have passed.
And then, gravity returns.
Everything that rose now falls. The damage is instant and unstoppable. Earth's surface is permanently altered.
Survival depends entirely on where you were.
1 minute was enough to change everything.
Gravity has returned.
But the consequences remain.
Gravity is more than a force.
It is the foundation of life itself.